Alright, good morning. It is about 6 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday. And we're going to start by going for a run. I haven't been for a run for about a week. I've not felt the greatest. But we'll see how we go. And then we'll get started on our day. Even though this really is starting the day is doing the run. Right, let's go. Run done. Shower, coffee, biscuit. Right, so it is now time for breakfast and second coffee of the day. I think what I'm going to try and do now is to make the Zeddy Crafts really good chenille sunflower turtle, because my sunflowers over there somewhere have seen better days. So the sooner I can get them done, the better. And if I can make a third one for my niece, because she's about to have her 6th birthday party, and it's a picnic in a sunflower patch. So I feel like I can send her a sunflower turtle to go along with the rabbit that she asked for. And I made her rabbit a rabbit. Because at Christmas I made her a teddy bear, but she asked that her bear had a bear to go with it. So I feel like there's a theme. So breakfast, turtles, and then possibly finish the teapot. I do have some errands to run today. I have to drop some people off. Run people around the mom taxi. And then I do have some ordering to do because I am about to run out of stuffing. So there's that. Oh, no, you've had your breakfast, bro. This is mine. All right, I'm going to eat this before I'm having to share this. Right. Okay, here's my first sunflower turtle. This is with the toucan yarn. It's not too bad. I mean, I was worried going through with the petals that it was going to snap the internal bit, you know, the string, but it's held together. I did realise just now that I did this whole thing with a 6mm crochet hook, where toucan usually goes for a 7. There's bits of fluff, but that's alright. Now to try the Zeddy Craft one on the same pattern. So on this tea cozy, I've done all the flowers. I've done the support, but I've done the green main section. But I'm going to do a couple of extra flowers that are white with red on the ends, because then they're going to look like the painted ones in the book. Yes, and then I'll move on and do the heart. So this is getting closer to having all the pieces done, but it's going to be a lot of sewing together. So this is my strawberry patch here, but when all of these, I think the snapdragons, started popping up in the stones and along the pathway, I've just kind of ignored them because they're beautiful. But they're weeds. The strawberry patch is looking good. I still have a lot of runners to deal with, and I might be able to go through shortly and pull out some strawberries for part of lunch, and that would be quite delightful. What I'd like to do is get to a point again where I've got enough strawberries to make a strawberry shortcake, because I like strawberries and I like shortcake. I haven't had a strawberry shortcake, so we'll see how that goes. But right, let's go and get the groceries. One very messy iced coffee and one very naughty bagel. Mostly the iced coffee is the bit that we're interested in. And now we're going to work on our tea cozy and watch some Law and Order, I think. Right, so I have changed my shirt. I've filmed a few more introductions, some for videos that I've already filmed and some for videos I haven't filmed yet. But I find it helps to have the introduction there, even if I replace the introduction later. I've ordered some more stuffing because this is what I'm down to, which means I need to hold off on one of the projects until that arrives. So I think right now I'm going to work on filming a tutorial that no one asked for. Yeah, it's basically it. While the dog is still in disgrace because he keeps disappearing up into the top paddock with the cows. And he's not smart enough to know that cows, when spooked, yeah, he's not a smart boy, or at least he doesn't have farm cred. But, right, okay, I'm going to film some bits and pieces, and then might have a covfefe. At least it's not hot at the moment. I don't know why, because the forecast is that it's going to get awful, but it's not hot at the moment. I think there's just enough cloud cover and enough of a breeze that it's pleasant. It's going to make filming a nightmare, but, well, editing a nightmare. Right, I'll do some of the tutorial and then might have a coffee. Right, I did finish the tea cozy and I think it's come out pretty cute. I was a bit hesitant about how the top part was going to stay up and whether or not it was going to be firm enough, but I've overstuffed it, so yeah, we'll see how that works. I can't find my teapot though to put it on. What to do now? I could either film the end of this video or I could take the dog for a walk. I think I'm going to take the dog for a walk. It seems more fun. Okay, let's do that. So, just so you know, I am being good. I'm still wearing the stupid wrist brace, but at the moment I tend to just be wearing it if I really don't feel like hurting myself. I wear it when I'm driving, and I wear it when I'm sleeping, and I wear it when I'm, mostly when I'm doing the gardening, but mostly I don't like wearing it, it's horrible. Come on. Really? Well, the walk is done. The day just keeps getting hotter and hotter and hotter, so I think my time of being outside is probably over. There comes the wind. The wind is appreciated because it's that hot. I'm now just going to dig up some potatoes, start work on tea. Might change the sheets on the bed because I live the exciting high life. Yeah, didn't get a lot of knitting and crochet done today, but at least I did get some knitting and crochet done today. I'll probably round up the evening with typing up some knitting patterns and getting them out for testing. And we shall see where we go from there. In the meantime, I will catch you next week. Bye. Right, potatoes acquired. Now to check on the scones.